everybody, this is Nick from Got Tech the podcast, and in this 12 days of Edtech video, I'm going to give you 4 of my favorite tips for better screencasts. To start off, let's acknowledge that there's lots of different screencasting tools out there these days, like my personal favorite Screencast-O-Matic, the ever-popular Screencastify, as well as Loom, WeVideo, and many others that I'm not going to get into in this video. These 4 tips can be applied to pretty much any of these tools. And let's get started with my first tip, and that is to always embed your webcam. No matter who your audience is, whether it's students or other teachers or just people online, they really like to see you while they're listening to you, and it helps to establish a personal connection. Here I've got my Screencastify pop up, and I want to always get in the habit of turning that webcam on, so down here in the bottom right hand corner, my audience can see me as well as hear me. My second tip is to always remember to zoom in, especially when you're talking about smaller areas on the screen that you might be highlighting. Here, if I want to go to the 3 dots in my Chrome browser and click on zoom to do that and enlarge my web page, it's going to make it easier for the audience to see what I'm talking about. Or if I want to show you where to click in this menu as part of my video, this is kind of small and easy to miss. So I want to make sure to use my tool's zoom in feature to highlight that. My third tip is to learn those keyboard shortcuts for your tool. This is not going to happen right away if you're just getting started creating screencasts, but down the road, if you learn these, it's going to make the whole process a whole lot faster. Here, I've got these Screencastify shortcuts pulled up. It's going to allow me to just hit a series of keys on my keyboard to do things really quick, like opening the extension, highlighting the mouse with a pink circle, or adding fireworks upon a click. And finally, my 4th tip is to record your screencast in small segments. People get really sidetracked and frustrated if you're trying to record the entire video all at once, but with most screencasting tools, you don't have to do it that way. Here is the screencast recording menu. You can always hit the play button to start recording and hit the pause button to stop that segment, and your tool, your screencasting tool, will automatically put all those segments together. It's going to look really seamless and really great, and you're not going to have to worry about what you're going to say for the entirety of the video all at once. And that wraps it up for this 12 days of EdTech video. Thanks a lot for watching.